Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create a layout for YouTube watch page using CSS Grid. Before we do that, I want us to link the banner to the watch page. So when the user click on this one, it will direct the user to the watch page. And also, I want us to link the index.html to this one. So when the user click on this one, it will direct the user to the home page or the index.html page. So let's do that. So over here, so just type A then tag. So this one will be our A element. Then cut this one from here. Then paste it inside here. Then this one, remove the ampersand from here. So this one will be index.html. And also the next one I want us to work on is the banner, which is this one. So cut this one from here, then write your A tag. Remove this one will be watch.html. Then over here, just paste it here. Don't forget to save it. So now go to your browser. So when I click on this one, as you can see over here, it has directed me to the watch.html page. But I realize that we are getting something over here. The reason is being that we have not created the watch.html page. So let's create it. Inside your YouTube, create a new file. Call it watch.html. Then over here, just write your HTML, then enter. So over here will be watch page, YouTube watch page. That's the title I'm giving it, so you can give it any title. Now go to index.html. Close this one. Now copy everything from here. Copy this one and paste it here. And also go to index.html. Copy these two. Just paste it here. Okay. So now go to your browser. Just refresh it. Okay, as you can see, this is what we have. So when I click on this one now, it will direct me to the index.html page. When I also click on this one, it will direct me to the watch page. So now, this is how we are going to structure it. We are going to put the watch, that's the video controller. This one over is the left section. This one is the right section. So we'll put the video controller and this one inside one div called the main element. So over here, let's close this one. So over here will be our main element. Then inside it, we'll give it a class of yt-watch page container. Then inside it, we have our article. The article has a class of yt-left-main-session. And also have our side, which is yt-right-main-session. So this one is left and this one is our right. So this is it. So now go to your browser. So as you can see, this is what we have. Okay. So let's create a new CSS file. Over here, create a new file. Call it watch.css. Then go to watch.html. Copy this one and paste it here. So this one over here will be watch.html. Okay. So now go to your browser. Click over here and inspect. I want the watch page container to be CSS grade. Okay. So now click on the plus icon. Click on this one. Then over here, write display to be grade. Then padding to be 45 ps, 25 ps, 0, then 25 ps. So remove this one from here. And also we'll be using grade template area. So grade dash template dash area. So this one over here will be the first one. I want the main video, that's this one over here, to take the first column. So this one will be main dash video. And I want this one over here to span the full height. So this one over here will be recommended dash videos. Then I want the comment to take the second row, this one. So this one will mean dash comment. Then I want the recommended video, that's this one, the same, to also take the second column, the second row. So this one will be recommended dash video and semicolon. So go to your, copy everything from here, paste it here.